My potential home sellers, and they're saying, Amanda, should I buy? Great question. I'd love to answer that for you. So if you are an existing homeowner and you've been thinking about buying a new home, do it. Yes, the answer is yes, do it. It's like chum in the water right now. 11% of new homes, 11% of new homes have reduced their prices within the past 30 days. 70% of them have held value. So that's great news. If you've been wondering, hey, is that home available? Should I go and buy? They're getting a little bit more serious. You're going to get closing costs, upgrades, and options without having to pay those premiums. The price of lumber actually went down. So home builds are not that expensive. Please, 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 number one mistake that everybody makes when they go to a new build is they don't take a realtor. It's not signing us in to get a commission. It is signing us in to negotiate, read your contracts, make sure that your home inspection, what? A home inspection on a new build? Yes, a home inspection on a new build happens. We're protecting you from start to finish, and we love looking at pretty houses. So please, let us do it. Take us with you, please. All right, anyway, love y'all. I hope you're doing amazing weathering this recession. If you have questions about inflation, recession, finances, growth, new builds, send me a message and I'll do a video for you. I'll try to talk slower next time, but the algorithm only gives me like a minute, and I'm like at a minute and a half, so I'll probably cut half shit out. Bye. I did.